This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking fast action. First, make sure your Android's date and time are accurate. SSL certificates rely on correct time, so fix that now. Once done, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if the network is the culprit. If the page still shows a privacy error, open Chrome's menu, go to Settings, then Site Settings and clear site data for that domain to remove cached certificate states and retry. Now you'll dig into the middle, more detailed steps to diagnose why Chrome flags the site. Read the specific error text. It tells you if the certificate is expired, misissued, or untrusted. Make sure Chrome and Android WebView are updated because outdated trust stores can trigger false warnings. Once updated, disable VPNs or proxy apps temporarily. These can intercept certificates. If you control the site, check the certificate chain and finish by applying fixes that resolve the root cause. If you manage the site, reinstall the TLS certificate ensuring all intermediate certs are present and renewal is complete, then test again. For users, after verifying the site's legitimacy, you can proceed cautiously, but make sure the certificate matches the domain. If problems persist, reboot the device and test on another phone or browser. This helps determine if the issue is local. If nothing works, contact the site owner with error details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.